Hello, people of the internet. So, I guess it's time to address the elephant, or in this case, the moose in the room, and actually stop avoiding working on the Volvo. For some reason, I don't know, ever since figuring out, diagnosing the engine as being bad, needing to go, I just haven't been able to get into it. And that happens with projects sometimes. You just can't, I don't really get into it. At least it happens with me with projects sometimes. I don't want to get rid of the car because I like it. I've had others, I always end up getting another one. So I don't really want to go that route. Kind of like where this one's at, where it can go, things like that. So there's no point getting rid of it. So yeah, I just got to get into it and start tearing things out and getting it prepped so that the engine can get pulled. It's draining fluids. It's removing bits and bobs and pieces and things like that. It's shuffling it in the garage so that I have a little bit more clearance on one side than the other. And yeah, these are probably this video and one more. I don't know, but just getting it ready to pull the engine. Probably not very interesting content. I'm going to stick it on a time lapse and just work at it until I feel like stopping. And obviously, you'll see that through time lapse. So if you stick it out and watch, I appreciate it, because that does help with these things, channel wise, algorithm, whatever, the AI overlords. They like it when you do finish a video. But if not, I can totally understand. And hopefully in one or two videos, I will have the engine out, and it'll be tearing to the engine and verify, confirm, diagnose just how bad it is, and figure out which one of the plethora of paths I have generated in my head I'm going to take to do this job, and get the car back on the road. So if I don't do it at the end, hope everybody gets out, has fun, and go do something you like. Okay, so I am going to do just a little outro. As I noticed, my hyperlapse didn't take up much time, so at least it's a short video for anybody that stays and watches. I think I did a pretty alright job for where I'm at today. Drive shaft's out because, you know, it's 200,000 miles and never had U-joints or, from the look of it, center support bearing or anything like that. I completely removed the power steering. Not necessarily because I'm pulling the engine, but my stuff is really, really crusty. You can see some of the lines here. Like this one's actually a better one, but you know, this line wasn't long for this world. And what I have is somewhere in that pile of boxes, I have one of the Volvo electric pumps, and I also have a GPS controller and all that good stuff. So the plan is to mount the electric pump here and do all that. So that's why I got rid of a lot of the power steering related stuff. I'm also going to end up removing that big bracket and building just a small bracket for the I can't think today. I got tired. But for the diagnostics port, that's where those two boxes there where you check for like trouble codes and things like that. Motor mounts are shot, which again, be expected, 200,000 mile. Cross member's got a lot of surface rust on it, at least on this side here. So I'm going to go through and probably wire wheel that and assess it, see if it needs to be, just see if it needs to be anything more than wire wheeled and painted. Have O2 sensors still got to get pulled, and downpipes got to get pulled, but I did disconnect them from their harnesses, and I'm going to trim up my wideband. It didn't come through, but I left the harness really long when I installed it, and so I'm going to trim it down and make it a little bit neater if I can, Other than that, yeah, I think that's pretty much where this one's going to get stopped, and I'm not unhappy with this progress. I know a lot of you guys would go and keep doing, but I'm a little older, and I'm not in the mood to hurt myself, but so much. So this is a good spot. So I know I said it earlier, but thanks for watching. Get out, have fun, and go do something you like.